In this video, I will show you how to download EveNG Community Edition, the latest and updated, and install on VMware Workstation Pro. So the latest and updated version is 6.204. So let's go to the website. The website is www.eve-ng.net and click on the free Eve Community Edition. So there is two options available, Mega and Direct Link, and you need to download the ISO file. It's almost 3.2 GB. There is no more OVA or OVF file available, only the ISO file. And this is the latest and updated version of EveNG Community Edition. So you can download from either these link. I already download because it will take some time. Let's go to VMware Workstation and go to File, a new virtual machine, a custom advanced, next, and keep the default next. Okay, I will install the operating system later and choose Linux and choose version Ubuntu. Click next and give them a name, in this case Eve Community Edition. Okay, and choose the location where you want to install. Click next and give them number of processor. In my case I will give them 4. Click next and give them a RAM. Okay, in my case, because I have 32 GB, so I can allocate 16 GB. It's up to you. Okay, so I allocate 16 GB. Click next and choose the interface. Make sure the interface is NAT. Okay, so it will get the internet as well, and also you can access easily this EveNG Community Edition from your browser. Click next, keep the default one, and click next, keep the default disk type. Click next, and here create a new virtual disk, the default first option. Click next, and here give them the disk space, so I will give them 200, and choose the first option, store virtual disk as a single file. Click next, and this is the disk file, it will store here. Click next. Before finish, you need to customize the hardware. So memory is 16 GB, you can change if you want. Make sure under the processor this option is enabled. It is very important, otherwise your firewall, router, switches will not work. Okay, go to the CD and DVD and choose the ISO image which you download from here. In my case is here, this one, 6.24. Okay, after that network adapter is okay. USB I don't need, so remove. Sound card I don't need to remove. Printer I don't need, so remove, and click close. And now you can finish. After that it will show you here, and power on the virtual machine. Okay, just let me close and hit enter. So this is the latest and updated version of EveNG Community Edition to install on VMware Workstation. Okay, so it will take some time, and after that it will start the installation process. So let me pause the video for a while. When it started, then I will come back. Okay, because it will take some time. Then it will ask you which language. Okay, the interface language it will ask you. Then you need to choose English. It's up to you. I will choose English, and then I will hit enter. So let me pause for a while. Okay, so it's back. Choose English and hit enter. You can see on the top is mentioned that choose use the up, down, and enter key to select your language. So hit enter and choose the keyboard layout. So I will choose the default one and hit enter. Okay, and here down arrow and choose continue. Are you sure you want to continue? And hit enter. Okay, if you want to see the logs, so you can click view full logs. So it will take some time, and after that it will restart. And when it's restart, so it will start the process again. I will show you, and again it will start, and then after that you can configure EveNG Community Edition. So again it will take some time. Let me pause the video for a while, and then I will come back. Okay, so it show you the option reboot now. However, we will wait, and it will automatically restart. You can see it's going to restart automatically. Okay, and again the process will start. Let's see, maybe it will ask you in the middle, sometimes ask you the username and password, so you don't need to enter. Like here it's a second stage install in progress, by the way, but it show you the login detail, EveNG login. So you don't need to enter anything, you need to wait for a while, it will start the process again. Okay, because it's a second stage of installation. So you don't need to do anything. Sometimes the student confuse and they type the username and password, but it will never accept. You see, it started again. So keep in mind this point and just leave them for a while. So this is the second stage of installation. Okay, and let me pause the video again because it will take some time more. I believe it's depend on your configuration. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's restarted again in the second stage, and now it's okay. On the top it will show you the username and password. So root and password is EVE and hit enter. So now the process has started. So I will say keep the same password, EVE, and hit enter, EVE, hit enter. Make sure don't change this EveNG, this host name, because the switches are registered on this name, so it will not work. Just keep everything the default, hit enter, 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 and we are almost done. So it will restart. So I believe it's 3 times it's restarted. Okay, this time it's done, and when it's restarted it will show you the IP. Because I'm using NAT, so it will show you the NAT range IP 192.168.114 something. So let's go, yeah, 114.188. So you can go to your browser and type that IP, HTTP, make sure, and 192.168.114.118 something, it was 188, yeah. So let me type 188 and hit enter. Okay, here the username is admin, password is Eve, and hit enter. And now you can open anything. Let me give them, and it's now available. Okay, right click nodes, we don't have a nodes, you need to upload, and that's it. So this is the way to install the latest and updated EveNG Community Edition on VMware Workstation Pro.